Hello, my lovely Aquarius from all over the world. And how are you doing all? I hope you are doing well in your life, in your love, in your career, wherever you are, my lovely magical Aquarius. I'm very sorry, Aquarius, for a long gap as I was not well. Okay, so I have taken a gap. I have taken a pause from these readings. Okay, Aquarius, now I am good. Now I am back. So I apologize for missing the readings of you, Aquarius, and I miss you all a lot. I miss these readings. I miss you all because many messages were coming for you, but I was not in a state to do the recordings and do the readings. Okay, Aquarius, but I'm here back, Aquarius, and this is the general reading for Sunshine Aquarius. Okay, I hope it resonates with you, but if it doesn't resonate with you, you can leave it, you can skip it, Aquarius. Okay, apply it on your story according to your preferences, Aquarius. Okay, Aquarius. So Aquarius, I am going to do your general reading. This is the general reading, and let me know in the comment section, okay, if you have any questions for you, and I will glad to help you out if I can, Aquarius. If I can help you out in some manner, I will be great. Okay, I would be very great to help you. I'm here to help you out, and I hope it resonates with you, Aquarius. Okay, so I'm going to do your main reading, and I'm going to do 2-3 readings because I was not available for you, Aquarius. So there is a bonus readings I'm going to do very soon for you. Then I'm going to do a divine born story, divine born angel story by me, which I will going to do in my next videos. You will see the story. Okay, Aquarius, in that story, in that video, I'm going to use these story cubes and fairy tale. Okay, and with these 3 things, I'm going to tell you a fairy story. Okay, Aquarius, and let's see how I can help you out in some manner. Okay, Aquarius, so let's see what messages do we have for my beautiful lovely Aquarius from all over the world. Please, guides, God, spirits, angels, every single positive energy around me, please let me know what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. What are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world? Okay, so we have Two of Pentacles, King of Swords, then Hangman. Okay, let me see. I just thought I just something flip out. Okay, so what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Oh, 10 of Cups. Great, Aquarius. I love doing your reading, Aquarius. Always I love doing your reading because because I got that vibe, I got that positivity while doing your reading, Aquarius. It's so intense always and positive always. Let's see what else. Oh God, Aquarius, you're getting beautiful and wonderful reading for you. So let me see all the cards first. I hope you can see the cards. Then I will let you know what I am having for you. Just a second. Sorry. Okay. So, yeah. Let's see. What are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius for all over the world, Aquarius? Something beautiful, it's coming towards you, Aquarius. Very beautiful. See, you have Ace of Pentacles and Ace of Cups too. So you are going to receive your offer very soon, Aquarius. Lots of communication, it's there in your reading. Let's see what else we have. Cards are flipping. Okay, you are completing a cycle with this World card. So you are completing a cycle, Aquarius. Sorry, Aquarius, my daughter was there in my room. Sorry for the interruption. She's too small right now. She's 4-year-old. And she's beautiful soul, actually. A beautiful gift from the divine I have got in my life. So thank you for that. So let's continue your reading, Aquarius. So I have seen that you guys are bottom of the deck. I am having, let me adjust my camera. Okay, so bottom of the deck I'm having Knight of Pentacles. This is the slowest moving energy towards you, Aquarius, but some stable offer, some stable energy is moving towards you, Aquarius, but in a slow pace. Okay, in the slow pace, someone wants to offer you something very stable. Okay, and they are wishing, see what I'm having, Four of Wands. They want happy family, okay, marriage or some commitment. Okay, Aquarius, they want something beautiful with you. Okay, and but they are moving in a slow pace. Okay, they are moving in a slow pace, but don't worry about it, Aquarius. Okay, you will going to see this, some person, some energy is moving towards you in your life, but in a slow pace. That means Knight of Pentacles. Okay, Aquarius, so let's see what else we are having. Let's start your reading. So you are right now juggling with Two of Pentacles. You are not able to decide what you want to choose in your life. Sometimes you think that this is right, sometimes you think this is right. You are continuously juggling in your life. You are not able to make a decision because there is a confusion in your life. Okay, so this next I am having King of Swords. Maybe this is you or your partner, but I'm thinking I am doing reading from your point of view. Okay, Aquarius, so I am taking this energy as you. This is King of Swords. So you are ready to cut off any lies, deception in your life. You don't want to deal with those manipulative persons or deceptive people all in your life. You have already deal with them, and you don't want to deal with that toxic relationships or person in your life. So you are ready to cut any that bullshit happening in your life. That's the King of Swords. You are ready now to cut them off. So that's the King of Swords. You are juggling in a situation in your life, and you are ready to cut any people who are going to give you that bullshit or something. And right now you are feeling hangman. You are not able to decide what to do, but it's good, Aquarius, because can you see there is a light in the background? You are having light inside of you because you want to achieve this 10 of Cups. You want to achieve your happy family, loving family, blissful family. You want to achieve this goal in your life, Aquarius. So that's very beautiful energy you want to achieve, but you have to release some burden, Aquarius. You are carrying lots of burden with this 10 of Wands, Aquarius. You are already releasing it. This is the ending. This is the last card in the tarot deck. So you are releasing. If you have not released yet, you have to release these burden, Aquarius, because once you will receive these burdens, then only you will receive your offer, Aquarius. You have to heal yourself. If you are carrying some burdens, you are holding you back these burdens very tightly, Aquarius. There are some burdens in your life which you have gone through in your life, and these burdens you are carrying so tightly. You have to release them, because next is coming towards Ace of Cups, some emotional fulfillment. This is the beautiful biggest card in the tarot deck according to me, Aquarius, and this is wonderful energy coming towards you. Someone wants to offer you emotional fulfillment. Okay, Aquarius, emotional emotional fulfillment, that word I'm getting again and again. So someone wants to give you that cup of love, full of love, money, abundance of everything, Aquarius. Someone wants to offer you, and this offer is coming towards you by this Queen of Wands. Gender is not specific, male or female. You can take according to your situation, but this Queen of Wands is passionate, creative person, full of creativity, full of passion. This person wants to offer you some emotional wish fulfillment type of thing, Aquarius. They want to offer you this cup. They want to offer you cup. They see passion in you. Maybe this is you. They see you as Queen of Wands. Okay, Aquarius. They see you as this Queen of Wands, okay, Aquarius, or this is the person, but I am seeing that they see you, okay, I have to correct my sentence. They see you as this Queen of Wands who is very attractive. You give them passion actually, Aquarius. So they are happy to have you in their life. They want to offer you this Ace of Cups, but you have to release these burden, Aquarius, with this Ten of Wands. And some new beginning is happening in your life with this Fool. The Fool means new beginning in your life. See, this is how happy this man is. The sun is there, so some new beginning is happening in your life for sure. And lots of communication, it's coming towards you with this Eight of Wands, Aquarius. Communication either by messages, WhatsApp, on social media, or face to face. You are going to receive some communication with this King of Cups. Some King of Cups is moving towards you. This is your person who wants to offer you some emotional fulfillment which you were searching for a long period of time, Aquarius. You want emotional fulfillment, you want emotional stability in your life. So that's why this man is coming towards you to give that emotional stability in your life. And can you see, I can tell you this, these are the cards. They want to give you this Ace of Pentacles too. That means they want to give you some, new. This pentacle refers money basically, but I'm doing the love reading, so I can take you a love offer or money offer, okay. So they want to give you money and emotion, both. They want to offer you a stability basically, Aquarius. And these two combination is Ace of Cups, okay. So they want to give you, can you see, there is a bird who is dropping a pentacle in the cup, and this cup is full of everything, that everything is flowing out of this cup. So they want to offer you some stable security, emotional wise, mentally, okay, financial wise. They want to offer you some stable solid offer communication, I was saying. So some communication is coming towards you, Aquarius, because they see you this Queen of Wands, Aquarius. They see you this Queen of Wands who is full of passion. You gave them passion, okay. So they see you as Queen of Wands, and some new beginning is happening in your life. King of Cups is a stable man who is has deep emotions for you, Aquarius. Some person is having deep emotions, who understands you as a soul, as a person, okay, Aquarius. They are going to offer you, okay. And you are now completing a cycle with this World card, Aquarius. So you are completing some karmic cycle, completion of a cycle. So yes, new, that means ending of a cycle and beginning of a new cycle, Aquarius. That's one very beautiful energy I'm getting. And you are having the Star. This is you, Aquarius, my lovely beautiful magical beings. This is you, Star. New hopes, new desires are coming towards you, because you have already completed this, Ten of Wands. You already have completed this thing. Now you are completing this cycle. That's why you're receiving new hopes, new desires. These are coming towards you, Aquarius. Very beautiful energy. You are getting your new hopes, okay, and desires in your life. You are rising as a star, Aquarius. You are here present as in your reading. So Aquarius, next card is I'm having the Empress and the Tower and the Emperor, okay. So I can tell you, some Tower is something when divine interrupts in your situation, okay, Aquarius. This is not a bad card according to me. Sometimes it is necessary to tear you apart, Aquarius, to make you fall apart, so that you can understand what is happening in your life, to make you understand that what is right for you, okay. So when the divine interrupts, when the divine intervenes in your situation, this happens. This Tower card is happening in your life, okay. So yes, but you are dealing with your twin flame, Aquarius, because I'm having Empress and Emperor. So you both fall apart to make you understand. God has interrupted in your situation to make you understand, and your partner, that yes, you are both dealing with each other. You are made for each other. Emperor and Empress, Aquarius. Beautiful reading. So after this, I'm having Nine of Wands and Nine of Swords. So yes, you are defensive, Aquarius, because maybe you have gone through a lot in your life right now, and you are not ready to, see, 9 of Wands and 10 of Wands. Again, 9 and 10 both are there. So yes, you are being very defensive because you are not able to understand what you want to do, because you are juggling a lot with this Two of Pentacles. You are juggling a lot in your life. You are not able to make a decision in your life whether to do this or not. But Aquarius, whatever the situation is, it's going to end, because you are getting the World card. You're completing a cycle, Aquarius. Do not worry, okay, Aquarius? You are completing a cycle. So ending of a old cycle and starting a new cycle. Maybe some of you can't sleep at night. You are having these sleepless nights, having anxiety and all. Because why you are having these? Because there were some conflicts around you, Aquarius, with this Five of Swords. You were dealing with some conflicts and you want to move to a calmer place with this Six of Swords, and you are moving, Aquarius. You are moving because you are getting an offer from your past person. Some past person is coming towards you, Aquarius, okay, with this Six of Cups. Six of Swords and Six of Cups both are there. Some conflicts, you want to move away from these conflicts. You don't want to deal with this bullshit. I am telling you in the beginning only. That's why you are behaving like a King of Swords. That's why you are behaving like a King of Swords, because you are done dealing with these toxic things or toxic people, bullshit things, okay, lies, deception, every negative energy. You have done dealing with it. So that's why you are ready to cut any deceptive people available in your life. You are ready to cut them. So that's why, and you want to move. When you want to do something, God helps you out, Aquarius, okay? Remember that. And you want to move to a calmer places, and you will be moving to a calmer places, because you are going to get offer, okay? Someone from your past is returning back in your life. Yeah, they are moving in a very slow pace with this Knight of Pentacles. This past person wants to offer you some stable commitment. See, again a cup is there. Cup is offers. Maybe this person is King of Cups, a person who doesn't, put their emotions on sleeves. They don't put emotions on their sleeves. They're very, a mature man, I can say. A man is coming towards you, not a boy. A man who knows, who value you, who values your emotions, who know as a person how my Aquarius are, okay? They want to give you a stable offer, Aquarius, who want to offer you this Ace of Cups, okay? And you are going to receive a offer from your past person, okay, Aquarius? Some past person is there from your past who wants to reconcile with you, who wants to give you a stable offer, who wants to give you all happiness which you deserve, Aquarius. You deserve everything. You are abundant of everything, Aquarius, because you are the star. The star is you, my lovely magical beings, Aquarius. This is you. New hopes, new desires. You give every time new hopes, new desires, Aquarius, to other persons. So now this is your time to get new hopes and new desires, and you are getting it, Aquarius. Maybe you will not feel that fast, but it's coming towards you, Aquarius. The person is moving towards you in a slow pace to offer you this Four of Wands. 11-11, this may be again a confirmation that you are dealing with your twin flame, Aquarius, your counterpart, your divine counterpart, okay? So because I'm having Empress and Emperor too, so maybe this person is your twin flame, Aquarius, your divine part. And divine counterparts doesn't meet so easily. Once you both are ready for each other, then only you are going to meet, Aquarius, okay? When you are able to understand, when you complete every every level of soul development you have done, basically, as a person, as a soul, who are you, then only you are going to meet your soulmate. And yes, this is your soulmate, which is the Emperor, and right now you are rising as an Empress. So you are dealing with your soulmate, Aquarius. Maybe some past person is there. So this was your reading, Aquarius. Beautiful, lovely Aquarius. This is wonderful reading I'm getting for you. So these were the messages. Don't worry, Aquarius. I know you are juggling right now with two situations or two people or two mind, whether I have to do this or whether I have to do that. But remain positive, Aquarius, because beautiful things are coming towards you. Maybe you are feeling hang, but don't worry about it, Aquarius. Don't worry about it, Aquarius, okay? So yes, some beautiful energy it's coming towards you to give you a emotionally stable thing which you deserve it, Aquarius. Okay, so yes, that was your reading, Aquarius, and let's see what other and see what else I'm having. Wish fulfillment in the bottom of the deck. Nine of Cups. Sorry for the noise, my daughter is in the room. Just hold a second. Yes, wait. She loves my decks. Okay, she used to play when I do the reading. Okay, so yeah, wish fulfillment, your wish fulfillment is being granted, Aquarius. Okay, many of you are dealing with your twin flame already. You already met your person in your life now, and if you have not met yet, so soon it's coming towards you, Aquarius. Don't worry about it. Beautiful reading, Aquarius. Beautiful reading. Wow, I love your reading. I always say this. I love doing a reading. So let's see what else messages do we have from this fortune reading cards. Beautiful deck I have received. Let's see what else they are having. They want to give. Let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. And I don't read reversals, Aquarius, that I want to mention you. Any of the deck, I don't read reversals because I don't believe in that reversals exist. I don't believe in that. Many of the tarot readers, they read it, that's their choice, but I don't believe on it. Okay, so I don't read reversals. Okay, so let's see what are the messages. Okay, it flip out, and two cards for you. Wow, Aquarius, thrones and marriage. Wow, that's what I'm telling you, Aquarius. See, beautiful messages. Weathering the challenges ahead will bring you in a new positive future. That's what I'm telling you. Whatever thorns you are facing, whatever thorns you have faced in your life, whatever dark phase you have faced in your life, don't worry about it, Aquarius, because they will bring you a beautiful positive future. Can you see that between these thorns there is a sun rising, there is a light rising, and this is you, Aquarius. This is the perfect message from the universe. Weathering the challenges ahead will bring you in a new and positive future, Aquarius. Next card is marriage. You are attracting emotional fulfillment and unconditional love. See, marriage is indicated in first main reading also, Aquarius. So I'm telling you some energy is coming towards you. You are soon going to meet your twin flame in your life. Very soon you are going to meet it. Okay, if you have not met, yeah, they are coming in at a slow pace, Aquarius, but they are coming towards you. So let's see any other message if I am having for you. Any other message for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Please help me guide God, spirits, angels, fairies, every single positive energy around me. Goals. Progress is positive and personal goals will be achieved, Aquarius. Okay, beautiful message. Goals. You will achieve your goals, Aquarius. Whatever goals you are having, every positive goals, personal goals will be achieved, because progress is positive, because you are keeping faith in God. You are moving at on a positive note, because you are not fearful from these phases. These thorns make you much more stronger in your life, much more stronger as a soul you are having. Okay, Aquarius, so let's see what else you have. Any other message for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world? Guys, God, spirits. Okay, I have one more wish. Your heart desire is ready to come true. Yes, see, wish fulfillment. Your wish is going to grant very soon, Aquarius. Beautiful messages in every deck. I'm getting it. Don't worry about it. If you are worrying if you are thinking that what else you are going to face now, you are going to face very beautiful energies, very beautiful offer, very beautiful I can say person, soul in your life now, Aquarius, because your wish is going to grant, your wish fulfillment is going to grant for sure. Whatever your heart is desire, now it's ready to come. Next. Okay, devil, they take care immediately to avoid temptation and deceit. That's you are already taking care. If you have not taken care, you have to take care of this devil energy. If someone is coming towards you in a deceptive behavior, some toxic behavior, or they are some person who are you are you are already dealing with them, these energy, just throw them off. This energy You don't deserve this, devil, Aquarius. You deserve something very beautiful, okay, Aquarius. And let me adjust my cards. Okay, so if you are dealing with some deceptions or temptations or deceit, Aquarius, with this devil energy, just throw them off, because this devil is toxic, Aquarius. Okay, if you are already dealing with something like this, just stay away from these persons or these things. Okay, 2 more cards I have received. Celebration, celebration, celebration. So celebration, it's coming towards you, Aquarius, and this is lion. You are roaring like a lion, Aquarius. You know your worth, okay? You have already come over all your obstacles in your life, all your dark phase of your life, Aquarius, and that have become that after that you have become like a lion, okay? Harness the loyal and protective aura of the lion and charge ahead magnificently, okay, Aquarius. Roar like a lion. This lion will help you out, okay? So these were the messages, Aquarius, I'm having right now. Key, see, again I'm having key. I'll tell you one more message because I think I have to deliver to you. New beginnings, directions and adventures await for those who are ready to let go of the past. That's what I'm telling you. You have to release that 10 of wands, the burdens whichever you are carrying, Aquarius, because very beautiful energy is waiting for you. Your twin flame is waiting for you, Aquarius, to come. Once you will release that burdens, you will get this key, Aquarius. New beginnings and adventures, they are waiting for you, Aquarius. So these were the messages. Thorns, marriage, goal, wish fulfillment. Wow, beautiful. And if you are having any toxic people or any toxic energy in you, Aquarius, just throw them out. Throw this, devil. You don't want it, you don't deserve it, okay, Aquarius. You are the lion, okay? This lion will protect your aura, basically, okay? You are the lion in your life, Aquarius. You roar every time, so roar, Aquarius, if you are not roaring, because celebrations are waiting for you. Very beautiful energy, Aquarius. These are waiting for you. So these were the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the animal guide. I'll take 1 or 2 messages from this. What animal spirit wants to tell you? Let's see. Okay, so these cards are up and down. Okay, not an issue, not an issue. Let me adjust these cards. Okay. Okay, beautiful deck. Let's see what messages do we have for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Help me, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy. Let me know what animal spirit you want to deliver, what messages. Okay, flip out. Polar bear, unity. Polar bear, unity. This messages: embrace this time of deep spiritual growth. You may feel called to act as a mentor, find a new teacher, or spend time with others who are also on a scared path. Polar bear, Aquarius. This is the polar bear, unity. You are on your spiritual growth, Aquarius. You are on the spiritual path, basically. Deep spiritual lessons you are already being learned. If you have not learned, you have to find your new teacher or persons or mentor friends in which you will learn more things. Already you are learning too much lessons, Aquarius. So you are called to act, okay, as a mentor. Maybe some of you are going to become something spiritual mentor, okay, Aquarius. And spend time with others who are also on a scared path, Aquarius. Okay, very beautiful message. Any other? Okay, 6 of Springs, rescued dog. You may receive a promotion or be chosen for a scholarship, or find that you are singled out for special recognition. You have done for an amazing job and you deserve all the attention, Aquarius. Very beautiful energy, Aquarius, around you. Spring, 6 of Springs is 6 of swords. Sorry, 6 of wands, Aquarius. Recognition, okay, Aquarius, you are going to receive it very soon, because you have done wonderful achievements, wonderful things in your life. You have already come all the obstacles whichever they were in your life. You have already come out of that dark phase of your life which were you going through, and I can feel it, because I myself as is an Aquarius, so I know what deep dark lessons we were going through. Okay, so we have already come that obstacle. Okay, we have already overcome that obstacle, overcome all the fears which were there in ourselves. Okay, and we have learned the lessons, Aquarius, I know, and if you have not learned, you will be going to learn it, but I am sure that you have already learned it, Aquarius. That's why these beautiful messages are coming towards you. Now it's time for celebration, Aquarius. Now it's your turn to be get recognized for the hardships you have done in your life, for the hard things you have deal with, for the hard relationships, persons, okay, situations you have already deal with it. So now it's your time to harvest your hardship, Aquarius. You have already reaped the seeds. Now it's your time to get your rewards, your gifts, Aquarius. So you are going to soon recognized, okay, Aquarius. Special recognition, it's coming towards you, Aquarius. You have done an amazing job and you deserve all attention, Aquarius. Okay, you are already an abundant of everything. You are abundant of love, happiness, peace, success, everything. You are already abundant in everything, Aquarius. So these were the messages. Let's see what else we are having from this Moonology deck. Beautiful decks. I'm in love with my decks. Sorry, that's my daughter. Okay, so she's too small, she will not understand. Okay, and I'm sorry for that. Okay, so let's see what else are we having. Any other message for my beautiful lovely Aquarius, for all over the world? Helping guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Any messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius from all over the world? Help me out. Any other message you want to deliver? Any other message you want me to deliver for my beautiful magical beings? Any other message you want me to deliver for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Please help me out. No other message. Okay, so see, bottom of the deck. Expect powerful change, Aquarius. Expect powerful change. I'm telling you, some powerful change it's coming towards you, Aquarius. So first message I'm getting, wow, you won't believe it what I've got it for you, Aquarius. Your hard work is paying off. That's what I'm telling you right now. Few minutes back, few seconds back, I can say. Your hardships, your hard works are going to harvest, and that's exactly it is telling you. Your hard work is going to pay off soon now. Okay, Aquarius, you already done your part. You already done all the hard lessons which you need to learn, and now it's going to pay off. Very good, very beautiful exact message, Aquarius, and I love this message. Second message is a time to give rather than to take. Okay, Aquarius, a time to give rather than to take. Okay, take a chance, Aquarius. Take a chance, give all the burdens, release all the burdens, and see energy is gaining momentum. The answers you need are coming. Beautiful messages are there on my bottom of the deck. The answers you need are coming, Aquarius. Okay, so your hard work is going to pay off very soon, Aquarius. Beautiful message. Let me read one thing. A time to give rather than to take. What does this say? I'll tell you exact thing. What is this saying? Shh. Sorry for the noise. Okay, when this card comes up, it's time for you to take stock of your situation, where you are and where do you want to go. The new moon energy of this card suggests a restart, and the Virgo energy suggests you to make the restart a clever one that's simple and well organized. Virgo has also a strong health aspect to it. So if you are being unwell, this card suggests that your health is on up. Okay, Aquarius. Virgo loves clean eating and alternative therapy. So add these in your routine now. I am getting the vibe that some of you needs healing, Aquarius. Okay, and in my next video, I'm going to heal you by my messages, Aquarius, and I'm sending lots of healing, lots of love, for lots of light, okay, peace, for you to heal, okay? And you need to, if you want to add some eating or therapies in your routine, you have to eat, you have to add that therapy, sorry. So let's see, so add these in your routines now, however you've been feeling. If a situation is blocked at the moment, it could be that you are over analyzing things or being so critical. It's time to ask less what someone else can do for you and to think more about what others can do for you. Okay, Aquarius, so basically from all these readings till the time I have done right now, from the 3 decks, I'm getting the similar message that you have to release your burdens with that 10 of wands. You have to release that burdens because some beautiful stable offer is coming towards you, and the offer is coming towards you from the King of Cups. Basically the King of Cups is a deep, I can say deep, I'm again and again mentioning that word. This man is having deep emotions for you, Aquarius. This man knows your worth, basically knows who you are as a soul, as a person. My Aquarius beings, they know you and they want to give you a stable committed offer or stable emotions which you were expecting every time from single toxic devil energies, but that you were not, you were not thinking in that way maybe, okay? But that devil energy doesn't, you don't deserve that devil energy, Aquarius, right? You deserve love, happiness, beautiful energies around you, and that's why these people are out of your life. And if you're still coming out of that energy, you have to, through that devil energy, from your life, from your energy aura, everything, that toxic people or relationships or burdens whichever you are carrying in your life, you have to clear that energy first. Then only new things will come in your life, and you are completing a karmic cycle, so very soon you are going to receive. Okay, Aquarius, so these were the readings for you for today. So I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner, and let me know in the comment section if I did help you out in some manner. And see you soon in my bonus readings, because I am going to tell you some bonus messages for you, Aquarius, because I was not aware. I'm repeating this again. So I was not well actually, so I took a break completely from these readings and all, because I was not in a state of mind to do the readings. So that's why I'm compensating. Okay, I'm giving you bonus readings, so I hope that will help you out in some manner, Aquarius. So stay blessed, stay happy, sending lots of love and happiness and healing to you, Aquarius, from all over the world. And let me know in the comment section, okay, Aquarius? And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, see you soon, Aquarius. Take care. Bye bye.